इन्हीं सारे सवालों के जवाब दे देकर जब इंसान थक जाता है तो वो क्या करता है, वो लाइफ में एक बुक लिखता है। जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रही हूँ विवेक वैद्य की, जिनकी कहानी प्रीटी मच ये है। वो फ्रॉस्ट एंड सलिवन में काम करते हैं एंड ही समबडी हु हैज हैड अ वाइड एक्सपोजर टू अ वैरायटी ऑफ कंट्रीज वेयर ही हैज ट्रैवल्ड टू विद अ वैरायटी ऑफ नेशनैलिटीज जो उनके कॉलीग्स हैं। और ये सारे सवाल के जवाब दे देकर जब आदमी थक जाता है तो वो जो बुक लिखता है उसका नाम होता है व्हाई डू इंडियंस क्वेश्चन मार्क। अब ये जितनी इंटरेस्टिंग आपको लग रही है ये प्रेमिस, उतना ही इंटरेस्टिंग इनका बुक है। एंड आई रेड द बुक एंड आई वुड लव टू एक्चुअली हैव अ चैट विद हिम अबाउट दिस बुक एंड ही इज कमिंग अप ऑन रेडियो मस्ती 96.3 बस थोड़ी देर में सिंगापुर। लेकिन उन सारे इंडिया वालों के नाम जो जाते तो हैं लेकिन कुछ खाते नहीं हैं, इंडिया वाले कमिंग अप ऑन रेडियो मस्ती 96.3। जो उसमें रहो
चाहिए मस्ती 96.3 FM, मस्ती FM 96.3, जोश में रहो।
What is it to be Indian? ये सवाल अगर हम पूछे अपने आप से तो of course 26 January that just passed and of course 15th of August that is coming around later this year. इन 2 दिनों पर भरपूर एहसास होता है हमको कि हम कितने इंडियन हैं। लेकिन क्योंकि हम यहाँ पर सिंगापुर में हैं, lot of us actually are Indians who live abroad and sometimes being Indian goes beyond just the feeling you have as a personal feeling. It's about being Indian in the eye of the other. और मैं क्यों ये सारे सवाल उठा रही हूँ आज के दिन? Well, on the phone line I have somebody who is very very interesting. इनका नाम विवेक वैद्य है and विवेक ने एक बुक लिखी है। Outside the fact that he is quite a successful professional in this field, I'd like to welcome him to Radio Masti. Hi Vivek, good evening.
Good evening. Thanks, Rohini. Thanks for having me here.
मैं तो इतनी एक्साइटेड हूँ because you're one of those authors who I'm introducing on the show. मैं तो हुई आपकी फैन लेकिन आप भी हमारे फैन है ना?
Yes, definitely. definitely.
Yeah, in fact, Vivek and I know each other through Radio Masti because he was somebody who is always very active, always talking back, and especially जब कोई discussions हो तो विवेक के जो one-liners होते हैं, I really look forward to it. Vivek, why don't you start off by telling us what you do professionally?
Yeah, I work in a company called Frost & Sullivan. I work as head of Asia Pacific. It's a consulting work. I have to travel a lot, and that's basically the genesis of the book.
Yes, and the book is very interesting. It's called Why Do Indians ... question mark. अब why do Indians
Correct.
do a lot of things? And जैसे मैंने कहा, it's always about आप ये सवालों के जवाब कभी रेडी नहीं रखते जब तक आपसे कोई पूछता है। Like for example, लोग आपसे पूछते हैं कि आप बीफ क्यों नहीं खाते for example, या फिर आपसे पूछते हैं कि यार ऐसा क्यों होता है कि आप लोग दिवाली मनाते हैं। एंड जैसा कि मैंने कहा, ये सारी चीजें हमने इंटरनलाइज कर ली है, लेकिन जब किसी और को बोलने की बारी आती है तब हमें सोचना पड़ता है। So of course I'm going to start off by asking you, Vivek, what are the topics that you've covered in this book?
So I've asked most frequently asked questions to me. So most typical question is why most Indians don't eat beef. Of course, there are some Indians who do, but why Indians don't eat beef? Why there are so many Indians who are vegetarians? Why Indians get arranged marriage still in this era? Why do they get arranged marriage? So these are some of the questions I've covered in the book.
So basically आपको ये सवाल बार-बार लोग पूछा करते थे नॉन इंडियंस, और आपने एक बुक लिख ली है। नेक्स्ट टाइम दे आस्क यू जस्ट गिव देम द बुक, इज इट?
Absolutely, absolutely.
So what inspired you to write this book? Is it really that आप तंग थे इन सवालों से?
I think what happened was these questions were asked by my colleagues, customers in a casual, friendly discussion. In some cases, I could answer these questions back. In some cases, I struggled to answer. So I basically came back and thought about it and wrote some blogs about it. So I ran a blog site for last 5 years, and I put some blogs, very small, short ones, small ones. But that blog series became very popular, and some of these blogs are read more than 25,000 times.
Wow!
So that's when I thought, maybe there is a lot of curiosity about this. Maybe people want to know about this, so should be something more than a blog. So I decided to write it in a form of a book.
I have a question. Why do Indian movies have singing and dancing around trees? क्या इस सवाल का जवाब विवेक हमें दे सकते हैं? We're going to come back and continue this chat. We're talking with author Vivek Vaidya about his book Why Do Indians ... question mark on Radio Masti this evening. जोश में रहो।
चाहिए मस्ती 96.3 FM, मस्ती FM 96.3. जोश में रहो.
Why do we get arranged marriage? Why do our Bollywood movies have song and dance? And why is Shah Rukh Khan so popular? कुछ ऐसे सवाल जो as Indians हमसे कई सारे लोग पूछते हैं जो हिंदुस्तानी ना हो, और ऐसे ही सवालों से ये बुक जो है Why Do Indians, Vivek Vaidya has authored this book. I found it super interesting. Honestly, I just finished reading it at the first go. I didn't even have to take a break. It's a small book. It's not long. कितने पेज की है विवेक आपकी बुक? 100 पेज की है?
About 125.
Exactly, 125 pages and a very breezy read. Did you have any pressures before you started the process of writing? What was the only pressure?
The only pressure was whether I'll be able to complete the book.
Yeah, because alongside your high flying job, आपको ये किताब तो लिखनी थी. कितने महीने लगे आपको लिखने में?
I think from start to end I took about 6 months.
Oh, that's great. That's great. And why do you think people will find this book interesting? Yeah, अगर हम पढ़ें, okay, as Indians, I know what I got out of it. I completely identified with your stories. I identified with the questions that you kept getting asked. But I also like the fact कि आप कहीं एक conclusion नहीं देते. You leave it to interpretation, and that's what I really liked. आपने कई जगहों में कहा है कि ये मैंने सुना है, या फिर अक्सर लोग ऐसा मानते हैं. So you were not attempting to write a factual book. It was more an exploration. Is that right?
Correct. So my point was that, let's say, why do we get arranged marriage? There is no clear answer. There is no ऐसा ना गीता में लिखा है, ना पुराणों में लिखा है, ना कहीं लिखा है. So then what I thought was, it is a matter of perspective, and I gave perspective from a modern Indian's point of view. Mm-hmm. So I did not want it to make it a boring book saying this book says this, that book says this, and then it becomes your opinion versus mine. So what I wanted to give was a perspective which comes from a very modern way of living.
How can they get a copy of this book, Vivek?
We can get this copy of this book in Kinokuniya.
Okay, great.
Or you can order directly from the author. You can visit my website, Why Do Indians, and you can order from me.
So it's whydoindians.com?
That's right.
Oh, that's simple. So you can visit the website, and maybe you can add a few things to this, because I think, Vivek, what you've also done by putting out a piece of work which is so, I wouldn't say controversial, but definitely thought-provoking, is that कि लोगों के साथ आपकी ये बातचीत बनी रहे, चाहे वो हिंदुस्तानी हो या non-Indians हो, उनके साथ आप ये engagement कर पाए, और as an Indian, as I said, in the eye of the other, अपनी point of view बाहर रख पाए, ताकि at least you are not perpetuating the myth, you're actually trying to dispel a couple of myths. Is that right?
Absolutely. So what I find is, if you don't answer these sort of questions, if you just dump them, then the old myths continue. If you try to answer and you are not coming across as convincing, then the myths continue as well. So it's better to take these kind of questions head on, and my book probably provides ammunition for you to do that.
And it most certainly does. Vivek, what's your next project? कोई और books हैं in the pipeline?
लोग बोल रहे सीक्वल लिखो.
Sequel तो लिखनी चाहिए. Why Do Indians Part 2?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll come up with a more creative title now.
Thanks for the compliment.
The pleasure's all mine. Vivek Vaidya, of course, author of Why Do Indians, talking to us this evening on Radio Masti 96.3. Josh mein raho, Vivek. We really enjoyed. Keep writing.